Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 49 Turning Leaf Drive in Pittsford.
This is the ultimate Pittsford dream home bordering scenic parkland.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Step inside this grand two-story foyer with immediate nature views and an adjacent powder room, leading to an entertainment-sized formal dining room with a recessed ceiling and crown molding, and an office or sitting room with built-ins.
This is luxurious open living with a designer kitchen, featuring Brookhaven cabinetry by Woodmode, granite countertops with a center island breakfast bar, high-end stainless steel appliances including a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a Wolf gas oven range, a nature view dining area, and a wet bar. Open to the spectacular living area with 18-foot ceilings and a gas fireplace, all with beautiful walnut floors and scenic nature views. The first floor also features a bedroom suite, also with hardwood floors, deck access, and a full bathroom. This all-new walkout lower level is an entertainer's dream, with a great room featuring a dining area with a recessed ceiling, an elegant wet bar with quartz countertops and cabinetry lighting, an activity and gaming area, with an adjacent gym, and a guest suite with a walk-in closet and a stunning full bathroom, all with beautiful hardwood floors.
The upstairs features this elegant landing with hardwood floors overlooking the foyer and great room, leading to 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a laundry, including an exceptional owner's suite with a walk-in closet, a luxurious spa bathroom, and a sitting area with scenic nature views. This stunning dream home, designed by architect James Fahey, has exceptional detail, all with beautiful landscaping.
This entertainment-sized deck has gorgeous panoramic park views and overlooks the beautiful backyard.
This rare premium lot borders town parkland featuring hiking trails for the nature lover in you, located in a very private area nearby the cul-de-sac of Turning Leaf Drive. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 49 Turning Leaf Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!